Good morning, my little green birds, and welcome back to my channel. As always, if you are brand new to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for checking this video out. And if you would be so kind, do not forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to turn on the notification bells so you know when I have a brand new video going on. So we're gonna get into this. So as you saw in the title of the video, we are going to go over what clay masks are, basically. What is a clay mask? And that is a question that a lot of people ask me if they should use one in general, overall, because as men, we have much more oilier skin, and yeah. So if you guys are really interested to see what I have to say about those products and brands, then stay tuned. So basically, one of the products that I typically go for the most out of all of them is probably going to be the Jack Black. So this is the Deep Dive Glycolic Facial Cleanser. Now it says cleanser, but you can use this as a mask. So the point of this product right here is that it has kaolin clay and volcanic ash. So the clay in this is supposed to really help absorb oil and really detoxify the skin, meaning it's helping purge the impurities in the actual skin and further more, because it's supposed to irritate the skin and create circulation. That is typically the point of something like that. And since this has glycolic acid in this, I am not really quite sure how much glycolic acid is actually in here, but I would assume that is a minute amount, but still wear SPF. Now what I have in front of me is the Rugged and Dapper Skin Fuel for Men. This is a clay mask as well, but I do not feel that there is an increase in terms of sun sensitivity for a mask such as this. This one is pretty straightforward, and they use more of a white clay base from what I recall and from what I'm looking at, because it is a mineral clay. It is just there to really just purge and detox the skin. So now we're going to start getting into the more professional, borderline professional products. So one of the products that I'm really impressed with that is not professional is by Baxter of California, and this is the Clay Mask AHA. So AHA stands for alpha hydroxy acid. So what I have noticed with this one, okay, is before I even shave my face, I usually cleanse it, and then I usually would use a mask such as this. So I don't do this very often, but I would use the mask before shaving because I want to further the exfoliation, help raise the hair follicles. So the AHA is there to really help break up the oil and also the impurities in the skin. So it's doing a 2-in-1. I am not really quite certain how much alpha hydroxy acid is actually in it, but I do notice that my sensitivity to the sun is a lot higher. So I tend to go for an SPF 50 just to be on the safer side so I don't get burnt. I have noticed that my face tends to get a little more flushed when in the sun using a product such as this. Now, as my last product that I am going to talk about, this is a PM product, and this is a very active ingredient based brand. This is by Cosmedix, and Cosmedix has been around for a very, very long time. This is the Detox Activated Charcoal Mask. So this is something that you would use in the PM. I would not suggest using this in the AM because of the fact that it's active. It is a very active product. So one of the things that I really love about this product right here is that this is an activated charcoal mask, but what makes this really amazing, okay, as a professional line, is that it is very active, and this really increases your sun sensitivity if you go out in the sun, which I would not really recommend, especially if you do a treatment such as this, because it has a lot of glycolic acid and it has a lot of citric acids in this, and it has also alcohol denate, it has alcohol in general in the product, and also witch hazel. So these are just some of the properties that are inside of this mask right here. Okay, if you are wanting to try this mask and take it to a whole nother level, I would suggest to watch some of my most previous videos in terms of professional skincare. There is a playlist that is just solely dedicated to professional skincare, and I would refer to those. So that is pretty much all that I have to share with you guys. This is part of a smaller series that I'm doing on my YouTube channel, where I am doing smaller, shorter videos talking about specific things that you may not hear me talk about too much, or there's just not enough time to touch upon a specific subject. So with that being said, I really do hope that you guys have found this video informative, and also do not forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Definitely give this video a thumbs up because it really does help. And with that being said, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.